My name is Ragnar Bergstrom. I work in the DG Connect of the European Commission, and I'm head of sector in the unit Net Innovation, and I'm in charge of the Future Internet PPP, which is an initiative was launched 2.5 years ago. Yes, so we are covering indeed a number of different sectors. This is not at all an exhaustive list, but already included in the program now, we are working with sectors like the smart energy, logistics, with healthcare, manufacturing of the future. So we are already looking at some very interesting sectors, and we hope that that will develop into more sectors in the near future. Yes, we are currently seeing a lot of changes. We are talking about cloud computing and big data, the Internet of Things, and then also what is the security related to this. And what the Future Internet PPP tries to do is to develop software modules which are targeting those different areas of applications in order to bring that to everybody, so to say. So the overall objective with this initiative was really on one side to allow the industry, help the industry to be more competitive when it comes to the new technologies in ICT, but also from the user industries of the public sector to have application and services which are really making use of the possibilities of the new technologies. So on one side is pushing technology, on the other side is really pulling through the industries the right applications. Yes, so we hope indeed and are working on indeed at the European level to have this initiative happening. We do have partners from all over Europe that are within the program. We have 3 phases in this initiative, and we have from phase 1 and phase 2 each time had around 150 different organizations, be it from industry or public sector, be it from research or from user industry. So we have a lot of participation across sectors and also at the geographical level. Yeah. Yes, so indeed we are having now in phase 2, 35 use case trials, large-scale trials across 5 different sectors, and they are really cutting across the various countries and member states of the Europe. Yes, I believe so, and I think we are seeing a good collaboration not only across Europe but also between the projects. It's been our objective since the beginning of this program to have a strong program dimension. So the projects, which each one has rather big consortia, they also have to work together with the other projects. So this Future Internet PPP program is really like one very big project, where it's all interlinked when it comes to the work being carried out and the results that we hope to achieve. So phase 3, the third and last phase of this initiative, it will really bring in the SMEs, the web entrepreneurs, the software developers. We really want the technologies and what has been developed in phase 1 and phase 2 to be tried out by many of these software developers and smaller organizations. And we hope to reach out to 800 or 1,000 of these through what we are doing now with the projects in phase 3. Yes, I think we like to encourage the innovation that comes from these young or new entrepreneurs. So indeed it complements work being done also by very good SMEs or other organizations, but we really believe that we want to encourage these young entrepreneurs and software developers to bring their innovative ideas into application and services that is useful and helps us to move forward. Yes, on one side, what FI-PPP at the bottom has developed a catalog of what we call generic enablers, which are basically software modules. And these software modules, they can be combined in different ways in order to then build up applications. And we are having a first set of platforms now being developed in a few sectors, so like healthcare and like energy and so on. They're combining some of these generic enablers in different ways, together with open data or other relevant information or resources that are specific to those sectors. And based on this information and these kind of platforms created, the software developers and the SMEs will then be able to bring in their innovative ideas, and the idea is that they will be able to develop rather easily and quickly these innovative application and services that we are looking for at the end, that will change our lives.